Here's a video of Olivia swinging back and forth, pumping her legs, and she started herself from a dead stop. Look at you. Keep going. Get higher and higher. Yeah, you're doing it. Oh my goodness, look at how high you are. Look at that. Look at that.
If I get high enough, I can get one of those hooks.
Oh yeah, keep going higher and higher.
Now I'm swinging.
You did that by yourself. I didn't even push you. Okay, I'm going to send this to Daddy. What do you want to say to Daddy?
Daddy, I'm pumping my legs all by myself from a dead stop.
Yeah, high five.
Ooh.
Woo! Fist bump. Boom. Yeah.
Snails. Out the snails.
Ready, Snail? Ready? Snail. Oh my goodness. Crazy girl.